Jack Explains Money, got 68,000 subscribers, and this channel makes personal finance videos that feel like your smartest friend finally sitting down and explaining why you are always broke and what to actually do about it. They uploaded their very first video just 4 months ago, and 2 months later, one of their videos went viral with 400,000 plus views, and in the same month, another video went viral again with almost 200,000 views. Today, I am breaking this down into 2 parts: a free manual method and a complete monetizable automation method. So no matter where you are starting from, you will have everything you need. Today, I am going to show you how you can actually grow your channel using Claude. Since the past few months, Claude has been the center of attention because of its outstanding updates, and many people have canceled their ChatGPT subscriptions and switched to Claude. The best part is you can use Claude for free. Normally, people give Claude prompts and then random guesswork starts, which in most cases gives generic and pathetic results. But today, we will use the new skill feature inside Claude to teach Claude a particular skill, and it will later use that skill to give you professional, data-driven results that will actually grow your channel. When you are on Claude, click on your profile icon at the bottom and then go to Settings. In the settings, you will see a skills option, and this is where we will add our skills. Right now, you can see I have already added 3 skills related to this finance niche: a finance topic finder, finance script writer, and finance visual prompts. If you click on the browse option, you will have access to a pre-created list of skills that you can install to your Claude project. You can also search for the type of skill you want, but what I prefer is creating our own custom skill set like I did. For that, you have to go to the add option, and here you will see 3 options: create with Claude, write skill instructions, or just upload your skills. Since I have already created my skill set, I can just upload all 3 skill sets one by one here, which I already did. Remember, you cannot upload a PDF or Word document here. You can only upload files in .skill format. I have already assembled all 3 skills in a folder, and you can access all these 3 files from my Discord server. When you are in the server, head to the prompts channel, and I will pin these skills there under Finance Claude Skills. Link to Discord is in the description of this video. Heading back to Claude, as you can see, we are in a completely new and blank chat. To activate the skill, you just need to type this / and you can see that all of your 3 skills are in the list. All you need to do is click on the skill you want to activate. It will appear like this in your chat, and now I will just write that I need 10 topics in my niche and hit generate. Yes, that was all, and now Claude is going to actually load the entire skill. Memorize everything we taught it, and as you can see, with just a simple command, we have a list of 10 topics just as we requested. The most important thing you need to grow a channel is a share. It is not a like, it is not a subscribe, it is a share. When a person shares your video to another person, that is the most positive signal the algorithm can ever get from your video. And you will not just have the topic, you will have a proper virality rating in front of it, its potential, and on top of everything, a legit explanation of why this topic actually performs, so you are not doing guesswork anymore. Once you have your topic, you can just copy it from here. And now, let me tell you something even more interesting. You do not need to type that / every single time. For example, I will now ask Claude to write me a finance script on this topic, then I will paste the topic, and next to it, I will write the length of the script I want, and as I press enter, Claude is going to automatically load the necessary skill for this specific task and write you a completely banger script. Following the same step, we are now going to generate our visual prompts. It is going to be a complete set, a proper image prompt, along with its animation prompt as well. I loaded the visual skill and then asked Claude to write image and video prompt sets for this paragraph, and then pasted the first paragraph of my script. You can also sit there, analyze your paragraph, and think consciously about how many prompts it would require. I have a scene changing every 5 seconds, so that is what I am going with. Hit enter, and what Claude will do is write prompts in a proper manner, where each image prompt will be totally independent, will have proper character details for character consistency and the image art style properly described in every prompt for consistent style across all images. Along with each image prompt, there will be its animation prompt with proper camera movement, character action, and cinematic story build up according to the scene. For voiceover, you can use 11 Labs. It is pretty simple. Paste your script in 11 Labs, and from the side, just take your time and look for a good and unique voiceover character. Make sure to go with 11 Labs Voice 3 model, and using the enhance feature, you can literally add natural emotions to your overall voiceover. Just keep testing, checking, and following the same method. Convert the rest of your script into voiceover as well. For visual creation, the most powerful free option in the market right now is Nano Banana Pro by Google. Lately, their system has become way more advanced. Unlike basic prompt to image or video generation before, now once you are in flow, you will see a few options on the side and a proper chatting system powered by Gemini. All you need to do is ignore those options and simply write that you want to generate a complete storyboard for your video, and it will understand exactly what you want. Once it is ready, tell the AI that you will provide it with your full set of image and animation prompts, and it should utilize the image prompts to create the storyboard. Once done, copy and paste all of your prompts at once and hit generate. It will understand the task and automated image generation will start. This is actually your storyboard being made, and as you can see, it has organized all of our scenes in a single image so that we can finalize before we actually create them. Once you finalize, ask it to convert all the images in this exact storyboard into clean individual images, and you will see that it will create all of the images in a single go, unlike before where you had to create each image separately. As you can see, all the images are ready and they look pretty good, just like the channel Jack Explains Money. Now in the next step, you can convert these images into video clips. The problem here is that with the free plan of Flow, you can only animate up to 3 images per day. But what I suggest is to animate a few clips for the intro, only to hook viewers, or even better, you can use Flow in your other Google accounts for more than 3 generations per day. Despite having limitations, the video animation quality has improved a lot from what it was before. Now, since we have all our clips ready, let's put them into CapCut. First, place the voiceover on the timeline and make sure to clear out all of the silent areas, as this helps in avoiding viewer drop-off, especially in the first 30 seconds. Once the voiceover is adjusted, just listen to it and place your clips accordingly. You can also test out different types of transitions between your clips, but do not add a transition between every single clip. Only where it sits perfectly, as this will make it look much more professional than dropping one between every clip. Once done, simply go to Filters and then search for a filter named Clear 2, drop it on the timeline, increase its length until it covers the entire timeline, and make sure to turn its strength down to 60 or 70. At all costs, make sure to apply captions to your video using the auto captions feature, because captions are not just subtitles moving on screen, they are a visual hook that increases a video's retention by 40% compared to videos without captions, and studies prove this. There are literally countless templates that will save you a lot of time, and for long videos, long-tailed captions perform much better. Take your time here and experiment with different captions. In Final, you can add a good background music to your video. So these were just the basic steps, and with time, I suggest you pick one specific element in your editing, whether it be visuals, motion graphics, or sound designing, and improve it a little bit in every video, and you will see results coming towards you to take you to the results.
So picture this. You buy a coffee, a nice one, the $7 kind with the oat milk and the little foam heart. And immediately, before you've even finished it, your brain goes, you didn't need that. Not because you're broke, because some part of you has decided that spending equals danger, even when it's not.
Before I take you to the automation method, check out a video I created for one of my channels using this exact method.
Every line I draw, I know it's wrong. I just can't find where.
You saw the quality, and it was created entirely using AI. When people hear automation method, a fear of demonetization comes to mind, and that might be a valid concern with basic tools, but I use a powerful AI automation tool called AnyJam AI, which is actually the ChatGPT of video creation. You will have a full AI agent making your video like an actual director instead of a one-click boring AI video. And the best part is that you can even use AnyJam on your phone, as they have a mobile application as well. When you create your account, you will be redirected to the main page. I will go directly into the editor by creating a new project, and on the side is our AI video director. I am simply going to paste a topic from the list I generated in Claude and hit generate. As you can see, the AI director already started thinking and decoding our niche and topic to make our video, and it will start taking direct orders from you in making the video. You will see 3 options: AI director mode, workflow mode, and Oscar film mode. If you want to make a video just like I showed you in the beginning, then go with Oscar film mode. But if you are a beginner and want a purely simplified process, go with AI director mode. A little below, you will see an option to select your video model, and there are plenty of them. But the one I used in my video was Seedance 2.0 Fast, because it keeps the quality high and costs less compared to other Seedance 2.0 models. Next, I will just confirm my workflow. As you can see, the agent is working, and it will set up the parameters for creating our workflow. Now, as you can see, we have full creative freedom to finalize everything. You can select your audience as well as your platform, the aspect ratio, and the duration of the video. For this demonstration, I will pick 1 minute and then just hit confirm. It will then continue its planning. And now, as you can see, it asks me 2 questions: whether to go with co-design, where the AI director will ask me a ton of questions to go exactly in my direction, or just go with AI decides to save time. I will go with AI decides, and now it will start thinking once again. It has now provided me with a direction, a summary of the plot, characters, and everything. You can read it, and if you like it, just confirm it. If you do not, you can either jump back to co-design or go with adjust the direction. After that, it will start building the final outline and the actual script for our video. On the side, you can see the complete outline with every detail about our niche, our topic, our target audience, the hook, and everything crafted like a professional movie director. This is not a basic automation method, guys. Now, it is asking us to select a specific image or art style to proceed. I accidentally selected anime style, and if you also make such a mistake, you can stop the task. Tell the AI that you accidentally selected the wrong style and want to go with another style instead, and hit generate, and it will continue from there with your updated style. Now, it is asking to proceed with concept design, where it will create our consistent characters and environment for proper consistency. After that, just keep going with the options the director provides you. Make your favorite selections, and it will later ask you to generate scenes and videos one by one or all at once. Make sure to go with all at once, and it will start the full workflow. Now, since we have created our entire images, videos, and full storyboard, let's render our preview video, and I will take you straight to the final results.
Every single month, I tell myself this time I'll save, but my thumb, it just scrolls. It's like I have to buy something or I'll miss out. I don't think about it. The money moves itself. It's just what I've always done. In our house, money was an emergency. Getting something felt like grabbing a life raft right before the boat went under. Broke! You didn't wait. You took it now. My mom never panicked. Money was just a tool, like a clock. You wind it and it works. It wasn't about having tons. It was about knowing it was there. 2 fixes. That tiny pause breaks the emergency reflex, and automating your savings makes safety the default, not willpower. Day after payday, 10%. That's it. That's all you have to do.
Guys, let me know in the comments how the video was, and you can visit AnyJam AI from the link in the description of this video. Until next time.